This is the PrinCube from the God Things. The portable printer fits into the palm of your hands and can print on various surfaces. So is it any good? The product has done very well on Indiegogo with more than 31,000 backers and raised almost $5 million US. It's really a nice little device that can do color printing. There is a USB-C port to charge the printer. Ooh, the transparent cover is sexy. The magnetic cover is easy to remove and reveals the control buttons and rollers. On the cover is also a QR code that has a link to go to the printer project's webpage with a functional image editor. Switching to open releases the transparent cover to insert the printer cartridge. There is also only one way. Shows that the printer is charging. It will turn to green when the device is fully charged. Once fully charged, turn on the printer. You can see the white horizontal bars and hear a long beep when the printer is ready. Pressing the button turns the lights to green with a double beep, and the image in the memory is ready to be printed. Test with a piece of paper and slide the printer from left to right. You will see this yellow Pac-Man logo printed with the RGB squares. Connect to the printer using Wi-Fi. Select PrinCube and key in the default password when prompted. Using a browser, go to http 192.168.44.1. Tap on Plus New to create a new project. Tap on Add Text to create any label you desire.
up.
Pro tip 2. There is a product called the MBrush, which is very similar, if not exactly the same.